Need to fill out forms faster? Copy and paste the same info over and over? Let's talk about Magical AI and see if it's worth your time. Magical is a Chrome extension that helps you automate boring tasks. It can autofill forms, expand text shortcuts, and even use AI to write messages for you. Over 750,000 people use it to save around 7 hours every week. But does it really work? Here's what it does. First, you install it as a browser extension. Then you can create shortcuts that auto-expand into full text. Type a few letters and boom, your whole mail address appears. You can also transfer data between apps without copying and pasting. It works on Gmail, LinkedIn, Salesforce, and most websites. The AI part lets you generate personalized messages quickly. Just give it a prompt and it writes emails or responses for you. It connects to ChatGPT right inside your browser. You can use templates and customize them with AI. Pretty handy for sales teams, recruiters, and customer support folks. So what's good about it? It's super easy to set up, no coding needed, works across tons of websites and apps. The free plan actually gives you useful features to try it out. People say it saves them hours on data entry and repetitive typing. The interface is clean and doesn't get in your way. Now the downsides. The free version has daily limits that can feel tight. Some users report bugs with form detection on certain sites. It doesn't work with every single platform out there. The AI generated content can sound robotic if you don't edit it. And if you need advanced automation, you might need pricier plans. Magical starts free with basic features. Paid plans begin around $7 per month and unlock more shortcuts, AI requests, and team features. There is also enterprise options for bigger companies. Bottom line, Magical AI is solid for anyone doing repetitive computer work. It won't replace a full automation platform, but for quick wins and time saving, it does the job. Try the free version first and see if it clicks with your workflow. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.